Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the du command that reports on disk space usage. To get a view of the disk space used in your current directory, you could just run a command like this. And there it shows us the amount of space used. And to see it in the human readable format, just add an H to the command. And now we see it in terms of megabytes instead of bytes. Now, to look at somebody else's home directory, we would have to use sudo. So I'm going to run that command, and we can see George isn't using very much disk space at all. And if I want to look at home, the entire home directory, again, I need to use sudo. And I can see the amount there, space used. And if I want to see it in human readable format, it's 569 megabytes. Well, that is your Linux tip for the du command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.